In this cosmetic bag, I have my recent purchases and I decided to share it with you. So let me get it started. I went to Target and I saw they have the Byoma line and I decided to pick up a few items. I'm not going to talk too much about them because I make a separate video about it. But I pick up 4 products. Let me take them out. So first one is their cleanser, which is gel to foam. It is kind of neat and come on, comes with a pump. I'm sure you already watched many videos about it. It's 175 ml, which is almost 6 ounce. Then is their sprayer face mist with just with probiotics. Come with a little sprayer, and it's orange in color. And yes, they have that modern neat package, and it's kind of fun. There is a serum. There have 3 different ones. A purchase one for brightening, which is brightening with ceramide, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. It's 1 ounce, one ounce, which is 30 ml. And yeah, it's a little bit. It's clear in texture, but so far we should see. And then the last item is the moisturizer. Moisturizing rich cream. I took the rich one because I have dry skin. There was another one for
A few moments later.
that's the rich cream because I have dry skin, but I have another version for combination and oily one. And even though it says rich, you can still blend it and it's not gonna be too much. So those are the products which I get from Byoma. And since Essence is now carried, yes, since now Target is carry Essence, I decided to stop by the makeup aisle as well. And yes, I did pick up a few items. Let me just find them first. First, it was a repurchase of their mascara, Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara with lengthening fibers. I like it because even though it says extension, this keeps my lashes curl, and they do look way better. I like it. Like Essence, guess what? They have so many mascaras. You can easily find something for yourself. It's affordable, and that was my repurchase. Then I bought 2 of their smaller eyeshadow palettes. I have their bronze palette, and on the display they have 2 more. They have a purple one, which has a mixed reviews, and blue ones. I don't wear blue, so I just skip it. But I did pick up those 2. So I have to top it up the eyeshadow palette, which comes with 6 shades, small mirror, and that's your taupes. Let me take the plastic off so you can come on, see it better. That's the taupe, and yeah, you do getting the taupe shades. You have mattes and shimmers, and the second was Coral Me Maybe, and that's the palette which I have on me. Okay, so that's the shade which I have on me. Yes, go. The Essence, those 6-pan palettes, I know how to do it, but they are great and you cannot really go wrong with them. And then I have some stuff from Paula'S Choice. It was ordered which I placed a while ago, but finally I'm getting to it. And what we'll start with? Okay, I'm gonna start with the 10% niacinamide. I used this one for years, and I think I was short of some money. Whatever it was, I did order. So that's the one which comes with a pipette. They have 10 and 20%. Niacinamide, it's good to improve your skin texture and also if you have enlarged pores. However, because niacinamide comes in more and more products, you don't really need a separate item. For example, here we go. That's the item from Byoma, which I just showed you. It does has niacinamide. Like the moisturizer from CeraVe, it has a niacinamide. Unless you want to see the results faster, you can go for separate serum. But otherwise, whatever is in the rest of your skincare, it should do the job. But going back to the Paula'S Choice, so I have their 10% niacinamide. I pick up their exfoliant, 2% BHA liquid with salicylic acid. This is one of her cult products, and it's one of those items which you cannot go wrong with. I have the liquid, comes in a gel form, spray. I'm sure there is something else. 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant, unclogs, shrinks, enlarge pores, smooths even skin tone, lightweight, liquid absorbs quickly. Because I have a dry skin, I'm not gonna use this every day, but at least you can use it few times a week. Then Paula'S Choice Invisible Wrinkle-Repair Retinol Serum with licorice kelp, fights multi% of aging sun damage, reveals firmer, smoother, more even looking skin. I think it was maybe some kind of a set, or I was really curious about this product. But yeah, to be find out. Couple more items. It's a travel size of Barrier Repair Moisturizer with Retinol. If it's the same one? No, that's something else. Okay, so Wrinkle-Repair Retinol, Barrier Repair. After you apply this, you're gonna put this one. So that's the moisturizer with retinol. Obviously, you're gonna follow up with sunblock if you decide to wear it during the day. Then I have two like a sample sizes. Paula'S Choice Essential Glow Moisturizer, broad spectrum SPF 30. Okay, so I get me a moisturizer, and then super antioxidant concentrate serum with hyaluronic acid finds multi% of aging. Okay, to be find out. And then I think that was the set which I purchased. And then I have a set which possible that's what I purchased, and the other two items I don't know. Either I need to replenish them or there was something. But the first one is their Omega Complex Eye Cream with chia and flax seeds for normal to dry skin. Strengthen, nourishes to visibly reduce fine lines. Comes with a pump. I heard good things about their Omega line. Then we have Omega Complex Cleansing Balm. Melts our makeup, sunscreens, impurities, resists clearly for soft, hydrated skin. Okay. And I tell you how much was it. So here is 15 ml, which is half ounce. 3.5, which is 100. 4 ounce. And the small samples, I'm gonna skip it. Then this one was half 20 ml. And then the last one is from the Omega line. Omega Complex Serum with chia flaxseed. Strengthens, nourishes, visibly smooth, healthy, glowing skin. So this is treatment. So we have cleanser, the eye cream, and moisturizer. I'm gonna give a try to those items whenever I'm done with my day care and nighttime skincare routine, or when some of those eye products are empty, then yes, I can put those ones instead. And definitely I'm gonna report it back to you how they work and if they were worth purchasing, skipping, or you just don't even bother. Okay, I see you next time. Bye.